Hi guys, and welcome to Rhonda's Rockin' Recipes. Today we got the General Soul Pepper Steak, and this one is a great recipe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for future recipes, and let's start cooking. Right now I'm just going to add just a little cap of oil to the meat, and I like to do this because it helps the seasoning to stick. It also helps to tenderize the meat. Yes, it's a little trick, okay? When you add a little oil to your meat and you add the salts and the herbs and spices, the salt works with the oils to break down the meat. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of organic ginger. Okay, I don't have any fresh ginger today, but the organic ginger tastes amazing. So I'm going to add some of that, and it just won't come out of this jar. Had to kind of use some aggression. Okay, and this is the Italian herbs that I'm going to add in there, and this just wakes up, gives it a nice flavor. Some black pepper, because what's pepper steak without a little pepper, you know? Amongst other things. And now we're going to add some Tony's Creole seasoning. And I like this seasoning because it's not overpowering, and you can use it with other herbs and spices, and it has a little kick to it, which I really love. Okay, and then we're going to add, of course, some garlic. Okay, so this is an easy, quick recipe. You just need a few ingredients, and wait till you see what we're going to add to it later on to make this recipe, to make this dish taste delicious. So I'm just going to mix it up. Of course, clean hands and clean under my nails as well. So I'm going to mix this in because today I don't really have time to marinate the meat for a very long time. So I'm just going to work this seasoning in, and these are just beef strips. Okay, just beef strips, and I'm just gonna mix that seasoning in, and hopefully the meat, get it tender, and also get those seasonings, make those seasonings friends in there, and get this meat going. So now that we're all done with that, I have a pot on the stove. It's already hot, and I'm going to add some oil to it, because we're going to be frying up this meat. Okay, going to be frying. You don't even need that much oil that I put in there, but it's in there now, and it's already hot because the pot is very hot already. You see, it started frying immediately, and I'm just going to cook this meat until it's just no more red. You don't see any more pink, no red. So it's just fully cooked through. And the reason why I like to fry my meat a lot, and you'll see that on my channel a lot, is because, first of all, I like to get the blood out of the meat. I'm just funny like that, y'all. Tell me in the comment section if y'all like that too. Like, I do not like the blood in the meat, so I need to cook it out completely. And I also like to do it to make the seasoning stick to the meat. Okay, because when it goes into the sauce, I still want my meat to be seasoned. So when you're still chewing the meat while you're eating, you still have that flavor, you still have flavor. So that's why I fry my meat. So we're just gonna let this cook for a while, and until, like I said, it's cooked all the way through and there's no more pink. Okay, just get it nicely cooked, and there we go. It's nicely done already, fully cooked through, and that's all to that. That literally took about 5 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes. It really didn't take long. But here is the ingredient, one of them anyway, is the General Soul sauce. Okay, Iron Chef. Yeah, those of you that watch the Food Network know the Iron Chef show that has been on forever. Okay, I don't even know how many years it's been on. And this is one of their sauces, guys, the General Soul sauce. And when I say it is good, it is good. Okay, it is delicious, and I'm going to put a link to it down below. Okay, so this way, don't worry. I know you're probably saying, do my store sell that? Don't worry. If your supermarket don't sell it, I get mine in the supermarket as well. Key Food supermarket. Okay, No, Pathmark. I get it at Pathmark, and I get it at one called Foodway. Okay, but they also have it online. I'm going to leave the link to it below, and it is delicious. Okay, so this is one of my favorite dishes to make only because of this sauce. Okay, and you can do this with shrimp, you can do this with chicken, you could do it with whatever you want. Yeah, look how beautiful the sauce is. It's a beautiful, rich sauce, and the flavors are already in there. You don't have to worry about, making up the General Tso sauce yourself and trying to get it right, or buying some off-brand. Iron Chef brand of General Tso sauce is delicious, and you can build on this sauce as well. It's very flavorful, very flavorful. So let's add some things to it, because this is Rhonda's rockin' recipes, right? So we're gonna add some more ginger, because I like a little bit more kick of ginger in the sauce. Okay, so does my mom. She likes this dish a lot. So you put the ginger in there, and we're just gonna mimic some of the flavors we already put into the meat. This is the Italian herbs, okay? And that has like oregano, rosemary, and all that good stuff in there, all mixed together. It has a lot of different seasonings, herbs in there. And we're going to put some black pepper. Okay, so we're just really using the same seasonings we used in the meat. And then there's some other ones. I'm going to show you something else. Now that we've done that, we're going to add these peppers. Look at that, y'all. Leave a comment below if this is just beautiful. Onions, and we have all the different color: green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, orange pepper. And it's just going to make the dish look beautiful. It's going to be colorful, and peppers are really good for you. They're high in vitamin C, especially the red ones. So we're getting some good nutrition as well. And let me just let you know, when the meat fried, I did drain the oil. Okay, I don't like a lot of oil in my sauce, and I don't want to make my I just don't like a lot of oil. I like to watch cholesterol, my mother's cholesterol levels. We have no issues with it, and we don't want any. So I did drain the oil off that beef after it fried. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this up, and I'm only gonna simmer this dish for about 15 to 17 minutes on a low heat, and I'm gonna put the top on. Okay, so put the top on the pot, and it's gonna make even more sauce, believe it or not. It's gonna be a lot of sauce in the pan. And you're waiting to get all your peppers and onions tender, okay, or however you like to have them. Some people like them crunchy, but this is it, guys. It's fully finished, and it is delicious. I paired it with some brown rice. Okay, you see all that nice sauce in the plate. I also put some thyme in this dish too. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.